What you guys, got another video here for you. Now if you're into changing themes and also making Windows a dark theme, which is, I like the dark themes a lot better, but if you do want to customize it and you do want to change it, then you can do inside Windows 10. But I'll also show you a way of using pieces of software to actually change up the theme as well. Now inside Windows 10 there is a way of changing your theme. You can see everything is quite bright here, and if you want to change your themes you can do. You can come down to where it says colors here. What I'm going to do here is come down to where it says dark, and you change to dark, but we don't want the blue here, we want to change the storm color here, or whatever color gray that you like. And once you've done that, you'll see that it does give you this black dark theme, and this will be the same when you open up your Windows here. Now this is great if you don't want to have very sore eyes or stuff like that. If you're looking at the operating system for quite a while, it can cause a lot of eye strain and stuff like this. Now you can see here I've managed to change these icon colors. Let me quickly show you again, and I'll change these to a lighter blue color, and you can do that inside Windows. We're not going to go to themes here, we're going to go to colors, and you can see this is the color that we're trying to change here. Now if you wanted to go, say for instance this teal color, it will then change the outer path of that. You can see the outer background to teal, and that's pretty much it. You can change the accent colors on the task title bars, and also start task and action center if you want to. So if you want to do that, you can put ticks inside these as well if you want to. You can see it changing the taskbar down the bottom, and the title bars, you can see it changing that as well. So this is the built-in Windows part. So if I show you here now, we do have highlighted colors here which you can change, and you can make this what sort of color scheme that you like. Now I did mention the fact that we can use software which gives you a lot more scope to change stuff. So you can see here we have a dark theme here. You can do a lot more research than I have, but basically stumbled across this one here, and it gives you dark mode. Okay, and we'll take a look, and this actually covers a lot of more areas to cover on there. So for instance, if I went here to control panel, you'll probably see inside Windows that it hasn't been changed or anything like that, and that's because it's quite limited. So if you use a piece of software called Window Blinds, it's going to allow you to change this up, and we're going to do that in here. You also can download wallpapers that are dark as well to make your own sort of theme as well, a little bit different. So it's entirely up to you what you want to go ahead and do. So let's go ahead and open up this folder here, and I'm going to install the Window Blinds, and we're going to go through and just install this here. And you can see here automatically organized desktop, shortcuts on icons. With fences, it wants you to install fences. That's another video itself. That's a really great little program, fences, but we'll cover that in another video. So I'm going to take the tick out of that and go next here, and what we're going to do here is just let this install. Okay, so that's now installed, and here we have the actual program itself. Now this has been around, Windows Blinds or theming has been around for a long time, and you can see we've got a 30-day trial here, and you will need to purchase this if you want to run this for the foreseeable future, so you'd have to purchase it. But we'll do a 30-day trial here, and I'm just going to put in an email address. So they will send you an email and activate your program, so you have to put in a legitimate email so they can activate. So here we have the actual program itself, and you can see here wallpapers and stuff like that, so you can generally choose whatever you want to do here. We also have settings inside here. If you want to see an overview of this sort of software, then let me know in the comments section below and we can go into more detail about that. But we're just going to sort of go through the sort of quick and dirty sort of guide here. So you can see here we do have styles, wallpaper settings and so on. So what we're going to do here is, you can see inside here in the styles we don't have our theme yet installed, and all we need to do here is go into our little custom folder, and we can see we do have a file inside here which we can click on and install, and you can now see it's saying a new skin has been installed. It's called dark mode and has been installed there. So what we can do is go back to our program here, and inside style we just want to look for dark mode, which we've just installed, and we can then select that. There it is there. So now we can select this, and then we can also, you can see it's listed here, we have the drop down menu, and we can apply this style to the desktop. Say yes. It's going to apply that dark mode to the desktop there, and there you go. And all we need to do now is go into here and change our background to whatever one we want to. Now I've just picked you can see any type of background here. You can have something with a bit more color on it if you want to. It's entirely up to you, but I've just got some dark backgrounds here, pretty plain, but it will just change everything that you want here. So there we go, that is the background done. And you can see here, if we go into your settings here, it's changed this just like it was, changed all of this up here and made it look a lot more nicer in my personal opinion. Now if we go to our control panel, let's have a look. So let's go into a control panel here. It hasn't changed control panel background, but it has changed all the backing here for it, like the bar, the title bar and stuff. And there is a way of changing this, I think, this background here, and it's a lot more involved, but you can do it. And you can see the clock and everything else has been changed down the bottom here. And if we open up Explorer and go to pictures, this PC, all this has been changed, as you can see. And it looks pretty nice, and that's basically how you can get a pretty cool dark theme on your computer using the method I showed you here. Now obviously you can use whatever method you like. You can use the Windows method, or you can use software just like this. If you want to see other types of themes or other types of installations for themes, let me know in the comment section below. There's loads of good ones out there. If you find any that you want to see, then let me know, and then I'll do those videos for you. This video has been brought to you by 0 and 9. Use the discount code to get your cheap copy of Windows 10 Pro. You can use the promotion code Brian-W for Windows 10 Professional OEM key and get a discount, and get that for $12.79. If you're interested in Microsoft Office 2016 Professional plus Retail key, you can use the promotion code Brian-M and you can get a reduced price on that as well by using that coupon code. Links in the video description. Anyway, I think that's about it for this video, so I'm going to wrap this one up. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.